the Microsoft Surface Duo. And as a dedicated iPhone user, it kills me to say this, but I really want this product. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Microsoft has just announced that they're going to be releasing a new phone in September. And after watching their introduction video, I would love to get my hands on this phone. Now, when I first saw this device, I thought it was going to be something similar to Samsung's Galaxy Fold or Galaxy Duo. But unlike those two devices, it uses Corning Gorilla Glass, which is, of course, more resilient than Samsung's own foldable glass. This phone comes with two separate organic LED displays that come together into an 8.1-inch PixelSense Fusion display that you can use to expand your applications or to be able to use two applications at the same time. You are able to use a keyboard on one screen and review the text on the other, play a game on one screen and video chat on the other. With Microsoft's 360-degree hinge, you are able to open this phone up into any angle, and with those two separate screens, can use it in a similar fashion to your dual-monitor PC setup. The way Microsoft has designed this phone at first won't be appealing to most, but once you use it correctly, it creates a whole different type of user experience. And compared to previous phones that were designed by Microsoft, which by the way I truly hated, I can tell this is going to be one fantastic device. The features that are installed on this phone include a biometric finger scanner, and to be able to get instant access and synchronization between your PC and phone, being able to transfer documents and files from your PC to your phone, or vice versa, just by setting it down next to your computer. The camera is a big question that has conquered my mind of sorts. Now, what Microsoft is doing is they are using an 11 megapixel lens that has the ability to shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second, with image stabilization of course, and it includes features like Smart HDR multi-frame captures, low light cinematography with automatic modes, and get this, something they have dubbed Super Zoom. Super Zoom, that's a fun word, Super Zoom. Basically what Super Zoom is it is 7 times optical zoom. And all of this is being accomplished through one single camera lens. So Microsoft is not following that niche where multiple camera lenses on your phone creates a much better picture quality. I mean, who decided to start that fad? Samsung, Apple, other companies. Yeah, Microsoft is doing this all through one lens. So I would love to see the results, the comparisons between these phones, the Samsung, this Microsoft Surface Duo, and the iPhone. I would like to see who takes the better picture quality in good lighting, low lighting of sorts. Anyway, we can only wait for the unveiling to see. Let's talk about the batteries for a second. And you did hear me right. I did say batteries, plural for 2. So there are 2 separate batteries just underneath the surface of the displays. And even though there are 3577 milliamp batteries, which is significantly smaller than Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra battery, which comes at a whopping 4500 milliamps, Microsoft is claiming that you can use this phone all day. So it's an all-day phone. Now, there's not many people that I know that can talk and text for 24 hours. Wait, there is somebody. Yo sis, I think I found a phone for you. To be able to power both displays fluidly and efficiently is going to need some powerful internal components. So what Microsoft has done is they have installed 6 gigabytes of RAM, up to 256 gigabytes of storage, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform CPU, which has been optimized for the dual screen experience. Now, LTE is included with this device, but sadly 5G is not. Who knows, maybe Microsoft will refresh the model much later, including 5G with it. To be able to have a phone with 2 displays certainly has its advantages over a regular smartphone. And what Microsoft has done just that, right? The Android operating system seems to complement the 2 display hardware. And even the pre-installed apps have been modified to take advantage of those 2 displays for increased productivity. So I did a little digging. I had to find out the reason why Microsoft did not include their own god-awful Windows mobile operating system, but did include Android's own operating system. So apparently what has happened is there is a union, right? There's a partnership between Microsoft and Android. And because of this union, what Microsoft has done is they have created an API, an application programming interface for dual display applications, which they have added to Android's own source code. Now, what I believe is both Microsoft and Android envision a future where dual display phones are going to be the niche. They're going to be more popular than just the regular smartphones. And after seeing this product, this introduction video, I believe it is a reality. I believe this future could become a reality. So here I am, an iPhone fanboy, complimenting the two competitors of Apple, Microsoft and Android. And I don't know what to say for myself. All I can say is I really want this phone. I want to test it out. I want to see how it could complement my own style, or how I can do my work on this phone. But it also brings me another question. What would a dual-screened Apple product look like? It could be a dual-screened iPad, dual-screened iPhone. And before you get your hopes up, no, that won't be coming to you. Apple is going to completely set their own trends. Even if they copy another company's product, they're going to say, no, we started it first. But I can definitely tell you this, dual-screen iPhones, dual-screen iPads, they're not coming. They're definitely not coming to Apple. So, those of you whom are watching my video and are planning to get this Microsoft Surface Duo, please, I would like you to comment that down below. Tell me which configuration you plan to get. What are you going to use it for? And yeah, so I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can hit that other button. That dislike button is working. I've seen it. Comment down below whatever you will and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a great one. See ya.